In a world where artificial intelligence is advancing faster than ever, some jobs are now more vulnerable than others. Microsoft just released the study and analyzed the jobs that are getting replaced by AI. According to Microsoft's analysis, these are the top 40 jobs most likely to be replaced by AI. At the top of the list, interpreters and translators, historians, flight attendants, and even writers and authors, customer service representative, CNC tool programmers, telephone operators, ticket agents and clerks, radio announcers and DJs, brokerage clerks, farm and home management educators, telemarketers, concierges, political scientists, news analysts, mathematicians, technical writers, proofreaders and copy editors, and hosts and hostesses. Why? Because AI can now handle tasks involving language, repetitive communication, and even content creation with incredible accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. Jobs like editors, business teachers, public relations specialist, product demonstrators, advertising sales agent, account managers, statistical assistants, counter and rental clerks, data scientists, personal financial advisor, archivists, economics teacher, web developers, management analysts, geographers, models, market research analysts, public safety, telecommunicators, switchboards operators, and even library science teachers are also under threat. Scoring high in AI applicability. The AI applicability score is based on 3 factors: coverage, completion, and scope. A higher score means more AI can take over that job's tasks, and with millions employed in some of these roles, the impact could be huge. So is your job on the list? It's time to adapt, upskill, and stay ahead of the curve. Don't just work harder, work smarter. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on AI, tech, and the future of work.